You know that feeling when you try to uninstall a program and Windows just refuses. You click on install, nothing happens. Or even worse, you get an error message and the app is still right there, taking up space. I've been there, and today I'm going to show you how you can exactly force to remove any stubborn program on Windows. Now the first thing you want to do is make sure that the app is not opened. And you can check this using Task Manager. Simply come to the search section here, and then you want to search for Task Manager. Open the Task Manager, and you want to go through the list in this section to find the app. If you find the app, you want to right click on the app, and then you want to click on End Task. This will end the task. You can then try to uninstall the app again. If for some reason you still find the app, here's what you can do. On your computer, you want to hit on Windows plus R. This will open Run. Simply enter the command in this section and then click on OK. You'll find all the app folders. Find the app or app folder you wish to delete. Right click on the app and then click on Uninstall. Now double click on the app and then uninstall. This will remove the app from your PC, and the next time you go back to apps to uninstall apps, you'll no longer find it in that section. If you found this video helpful, you can support this channel by liking this video, subscribing, and having the post notification turned on. I'll see you in the next one.